my name is Poppy, and today we're going to be talking about the new Nudient cases, aren't we?
So the team over at Nudient, based in Sweden, have sent me two products. The first one is their V3 Red Sangria phone case, and the second product is their thin card holder. This is the premium black leather one, and all these products you will be able to find in the link in the description below. Now the first thing that comes to mind is how well the phone case actually fits to the phone itself. It looks and feels like there is no case on there, and it doesn't make it heavier in your hands. Now even under the light, I cannot find any fingerprints whatsoever on the case, and this is a real bonus, especially if you are someone that likes durable cases. Speaking of durability, this version 3 phone case actually has 3 layers of rubberized material. This provides comfort and grip when you're using your case. This does not affect taking out of a jacket or trouser pocket, and it doesn't feel as though it will slip out of my hand. I have a firm grip, especially when typing with one hand. As for the inside of the case, this has got a top quality fabric to stop dust gathering and prevents the back of my phone from getting scratched. Now this was a real issue for me with previous phone cases because it was collecting dust, and every so often I had to take my phone out of the case to clean the inside. Now to complement my already very bright red iPhone 11, it comes with this very subtle Sangria red, which I really like, and it gives it that luxury professional feeling. Moving on to Nudient's thin card holder, this is made up of premium leather and can hold up to 3 cards. As you can see here, I can very easily place this magnetically onto the back of my case, and it will not come off even when shaking the iPhone. Now the magnets on the case and the card holder are very strong, so it brings peace of mind that you're not going to lose your bank cards or your IDs or maybe just gift vouchers. But now that I have the thin card holder, I no longer need to use my wallet, and it stays all together with my phone, meaning more pocket space. And don't worry, Nudient isn't just for Apple users. In fact, this March they are bringing out some brand new Samsung cases for all the Samsung users out there. And if you buy 2 cases from Nudient, you can get your second one for 40% off. I would definitely recommend this case and the card holder for those of you that like to have a well-designed case for your everyday needs. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.